Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the new Android 10 based arrowos in your phone. This OS was released yesterday itself and it was marked as stable with only 2 bugs. So I'll be trying this OS on my phone to know whether it is stable enough to consider as a daily driver. In order to install this, all you need is a phone with unlocked bootloader and TWRP installed. The procedure actually differs for every device, and if you want to know how to do this on your mobile, then leave a comment in the comment section with your phone model. I'll provide a way to do that. If you have TWRP already installed, download the required files from the links that are given down below in the description. Let's get started. In order to install this ROM, all you have to do is wipe the data. So before wiping the data, I strongly recommend you to back up the current ROM so that if anything happens, you can restore the working ROM without any hassle. So after backing up the data, you can just restore the OS by going to restore option in the TWRP. Let's get started. In order to install this ROM, all you have to do is wipe the data, and in order to do that, you have to go to wipe and check all these 4 and swipe to wipe. Dirty flash is not recommended at all. So after wiping the data, make sure that you are on stock vendor 10 or higher. If you are not on it, then install the vendor file first before the OS. I'll be sharing the link for that as well in the description down below. So after flashing vendor, flash the OS file. Yeah, this zip file right here. This OS does not have GApps equipped in it. So in order to get Play Store and other Google apps working, flash the GApp file. The links are in the description down below. So 90% of the installation was completed and the last procedure was optional. Totally depends upon the encryption status of your phone. To check the encryption status, you have to go to Security and Encryption and then select Encryption and Credentials. There you can see if your phone is encrypted or not. If your phone is encrypted, then flash the DFE file in order to remove the encryption. So if you got any encryption errors, go to wipe and format the data. The DFE file is also in the description down below. So let's fire the OS up to see what's new. And here you go, the OS was installed and working perfectly fine. I'll be sharing my views about this OS in my next video. So be sure to subscribe my channel to find what's new in this OS and the goodies that comes with the OS. Peace.